Hey, my name's Darryl. I'm the prof of APP. We're at the airport today recording some sounds with this plane. We're working in collaboration with the aviation program and we're totally excited to be here.
What's up guys, this is Henry here. Just here grabbing some sound effects off of these cool planes that they've got sitting here today.
We were trying to record as many as sound possible. We recorded from outside and the inside. We used the Sennheiser Ambio mic inside the cockpit for the surround sound, and we also used two boom mics outside for the engines, and it was a super amazing experience.